Hey guys, my name's Josh. It's my 1992 EB Falcon. Was my daily for about a month and then cooked it multiple times, blew the head gasket and kept putting chemi weld in it, but she's finally so ended up scoring a XR6 ute with a Barra in it, so thought why not, we'll chuck the Barra in her and see how that goes. We'll be stripping as much as we can out tonight while we have the time, so start off by pulling the airbox and battery and whatnot out. This build was kind of inspired by the boys at Max Performance over east. They just completed their EA Falcon with a Barra in it. Yeah, so that's what's got me kind of all G'd up for it. Mind the crossing of the battery terminals there. I do know what I'm doing, sort of. So we're starting off with a pretty stock EB. It was an old man's car before I got to it. It's all still stock apart from chop springs, set of welds on the back with some radials and some Venetians. Plan is to keep it still fairly stock. Plan to run the hubcaps again, maybe get the steelies widened a bit so I can put a tyre on the back. Just running a LPG Barra. Obviously they're cheap. They hold a bit more boost than the petrol ones. Obviously the Barra have a serpentine belt. I've got an EL radiator out of a past build with twin thermos that I'll chuck in here. Hopefully keeps the Barra cool. Bulk pressure all over the camera. Squirty squirty. She's this one. Ooh. Oh, you can see all the chemi weld in that top hose. This old girl's probably had about 4 bottles in her. Served me well, did its purpose. I probably shouldn't even be doing this build. I'm halfway through a LS conversion on my XF Falcon, but I get bored too easily, so out cracks another conversion. Maybe I might actually finish this one. Oh, look at all the chemi in it. Oh, that's some good shit. So the last Turbo Falcon I had sort of ended its life in a bit of a fireball, so hopefully this one doesn't catch fire like the last one. These are the absolute worst to get off. Pulling the motor and box out of this thing and getting it ready for the barrage. Just in the process, still pulling the gearbox out. I'll be out in a few minutes with a bit of luck. Just got to get all my tools under here because I haven't got a trans jack at the moment. So now we've just got to pressure clean the engine bay, get it all looking nice and tidy. Modify the K-frame. Apparently you've got to cut this bar out here, move it forward to the front to clear the sump on the Barra. And yeah, should be pretty good. That's some thick steel.
Godlow on the track.